Okay, good day students. Okay, I hope you're fine and doing good. I am your teacher for today. I am Miss Jeremy Vasquez. You can call me Teacher Jamie. Subject for today is science. What is ecosystem? Okay, I see Iya raising her hand. Iya, yes, it is about nature. Yes, I hear it's about environment. Yes, so ecosystem is where the living and non-living things live. Okay, we have even the human, animals, plants, and etc. This is the topic that we will be discussing later on. Okay, our first topic is all about the basic needs of plants, and our second topic is types of soil today. Okay, to furthermore discuss about the two topics for today, so let's proceed to the first topic, which is about the basic needs of plants. So based on our activity earlier, it is mentioned that plants have 5 basic needs. Those are: number 1, light or sunlight; number 2 is water; number 3, air or carbon dioxide; number 4 is space; and number 5, lastly, is soil. Okay, to further discuss those 5, the first basic need of plant is the light. Okay, plants usually get the light they need from the sun, but they also can grow on artificial light. Second one is the water. Plants needs water for photosynthesis. Is this a process of making a glucose? So when the roots of the plant absorb the water, it travels through the stem of the plants to their leaves or chloroplast. So next is the third one, which is the air or carbon dioxide. So using energy from light, plants chemically combine carbon dioxide or the air we released by humans and animals. The fourth one is space or space to grow. A plant's roots need space so that they can spread out and absorb water and nutrients by their roots. So based on the researches, all of the living things need space. Okay, students, it's not hugot, but plants need space to grow. So because leaves need space so that they can access light. When plants to grow too closer to each other, they can compete each other on absorbing nutrients. Okay, and for the last one is soil. Lupa, soil. So soil is a living body and the first major building block for any garden. So the soil provides air, water, physical and support to plants and other organisms in the environment. So the soil has 4 types. Okay, let's proceed to our new topic. The soil has 4 types, which are sandy soil, slate soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Okay, to further discuss those 4 types of soil, the first one is sandy soil. So sandy soil, based on the researches or based on the studies, sandy soil has the biggest particles in those types of soils. It cannot retain much water on it, and water easily flows through it. So sand is usually found in coastal areas. Okay, and the next one is slate soil. So slate soil has slightly bigger particles than clay, so it has a less water retaining capacity than clay. Next is the clay. So clay has the smallest particle. It can retain water and water cannot easily flow through it. Do you know the clay pot? Yes, that is one. Clay soil is one of the material in doing clay pots or pots for the plants. So, but before we discuss those, so clay is not suitable for plants growth. So the last one is the loam soil. It is said, or it is based on the studies, loam soil is the best soil for plants. Remember, loam soil is the best soil for plants. Okay. A loamy soil or loam soil is a mixture of sand, slate, clay, and humus. It is the most fertile soil. It means that it can grow plants. Okay, have any questions regarding our discussion? Okay, hearing none, let's proceed our exercise number 2. It is about our peer tutoring time. Okay, so this is the direction from
Grade 3. Grade 3 students will be grouped on grade 4 students.
Teacher will be give a random picture about our discussion. It may be from the types of soil or basic needs of plants. Share your ideas within your partner. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes, and this is the peer tutoring partners. Partner number 1, May and Sky. Yes, keep your all of ideas with you. Okay, to our next activity, which is individual. It is individual work, okay? Your discussions about your partners can reflect, or you can reflect into it, okay? Exercise number 3, entitled I Reflect, My Environment Needs to be Protected. Okay, this is the direction for grade 3. In your notebook, list 3 or 4 good benefits or product of soil. Do it in your notebook. I'll give you 5 minutes. Good luck. Okay, I think everyone did a great job. You shared that plants can be a source of oxygen to breathe, and it produces food that we eat for animals and for the people. Yes, correct. And types of soil, it's be benefited to using clay product, and it is for building houses. Okay, good. Yung sandy soil can also used in building houses. It is mixed with cement. Very good. Your ideas are very well explained and correct. Okay. So choose the best possible answer in the questions below. Okay, did you see already? This is activity. Okay, numbers 1 to 5 are for grade 3 and grade 4. Part 1, okay? This is the direction. Label the correct basic needs of the plants using the images as a guide. Okay, for number 1, what is it? Okay. Number 2, what is it? Number 3, and number 4, and number 5. Okay, I think you're already done, okay? Grade 3, sit properly and be silent. This part is for the grade 2 only, okay, students? Okay, thank you. For grade 4, Part 2, direction. Name the following types of soil in the picture, okay? For the number 6, what is it? You can write your answer. Number 7, number 8, and number 9. And the question for number 10, based on our discussion earlier, what is the best fertile soil or best soil for plants? Okay. I'll give you 5 other minutes, students. Okay, good job, students. I hope you learn about plants for our assignment, for our activity for tomorrow. Please bring the following, okay? Do you have any questions, reactions? Okay, hearing none, I guess this is the end of our discussion. So, to end my presentation or discussion for today's meeting, I will leave a short quote. Says that what you plant today will be the harvest of your tomorrow, okay? Always remember that. Goodbye. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.